Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Escape brake light. First, gather your tools. You will need an 8mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a new brake light bulb, often a 3157 or 7443 type. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition for safety. Then, open your rear hatch to begin accessing the tail light assembly. Next, look inside the rear hatch opening. You will find two 8mm bolts that secure the tail light assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts and set them aside. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, directly towards the rear of the vehicle. This helps to disengage it from its mounting tabs without causing damage. With the assembly removed, locate the brake light bulb socket. It is typically the top one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of its socket. Take your new bulb, like a 3157 or 7443, and carefully push it straight into the socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands. Now, twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it securely back into the tail light housing. Carefully align the tail light assembly's mounting tabs with the corresponding holes on the vehicle body and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two 8mm bolts you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly before you close the hatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.